The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Woodville via Parramatta. First stop, Nine Hills. Parramatta and Woodville.
This station is Helensvale.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Train will stop at Helensvale.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Woodville via Parramatta. First stop, Nine Hills, then Parramatta and Woodville. The train on platform 5 goes to Emu Park. First stop, Doonside. Then
This station is
51
Helensvale.
train to Woodville via Parramatta on platform 4 has been cancelled for today only. Woodville via on platform 1 has been cancelled for today only. 50 train to Woodville via Parramatta on platform 1 has been cancelled for today only. The 10:48 train 48 Woodville train via Woodville Parramatta on platform has been cancelled for today only. The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Parramatta. First stop, Nine Hills. Then all stations to Parramatta and Woodville. The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Woodville via Parramatta. First stop, Nine Hills. Then all stations to Parramatta and Woodville. The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Woodville via Parramatta on platform 1. First stop goes to Nine Hills. Woodville, then via Parramatta and first Parramatta and then Woodville. The 10:52 train to Woodville via Parramatta on platform 1 has been cancelled for today. The 10:52 train to Woodville via Parramatta on platform 1 has been cancelled for today only.
This station is Helensvale.
The train on platform 3 goes to Woodville via Parramatta. First stop 9 Hills, then all stations to Parramatta and Woodville.
Surveillance cameras continually monitor the interior and exterior of this train.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
The train on platform 3 goes to Woodville via
This
Parramatta.
station is
First
Helensvale.
stop 9 Hills,
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Parramatta and Woodville. The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Woodville via Parramatta. First stop 9 Hills, then Parramatta and Woodville.
This station